Hey everybody, for my presentation, I'm going to be doing it on variable costs. And variable costs are costs of variable inputs that are incurred in the act of producing. So what I like to think about it is it changes very often. So say the price of plastic changes when I'm producing something or more of something, while say a fixed cost is rent for where I'm making the things. So my example today is going to be on variable costs of transformers. And variable costs of transformers would be plastic, because plastic would go up and down regarding what the size of the transformer, the length, and that's what, yeah, plastic for transformers. Then workers operating machinery, so like labor for those producing the transformers, and the workers' hours, since we could probably have more or less depending on how much of an output would be. So fixed costs for transformers, I would say, would be like logos for them. So Bumblebee right here, he's a Camaro, and a Camaro is a part of Chevrolet. So to make the toy, they'd have to put the logo on there, which they would have to pay a fee or royalty for them using the logo. So that would be a fixed cost. I'd also like to show you guys how you can find total cost with variable cost and fixed price, or fixed cost, sorry. So plastic, we would put $50 for one transformer, and the fixed cost, it staying the same, would be $25 for the Chevrolet logo. So how we would find total cost would be total cost equals fixed cost plus variable cost. That's it. And then $50 would be the variable cost, plus 25 would be the fixed cost. So add those two together, we would get 75. And using the total cost, we can find average total cost. So average total cost is total cost divided by quantity, and what the answer to this equals average total cost. So since we already know total cost is $75, we put that in the numerator, and the denominator would be 1, since we're just making one transformer with $50. So 75 divided by 1 would equal 75, which would be our average total cost. This allows us to see how much it would cost compared to our marginal cost, to see how much profit we could make. But hopefully you learned a little bit of what variable cost, fixed cost, how to find average total cost and total cost is. Thank you and goodbye.